So hi friends, once more welcome back to the channel. I am Rahul, you are watching Chota Master Rahul. So in this corona pandemic, lots of students, teachers, lecturers and all the persons, business persons or any offices, all are closed because of this corona pandemic. So these students have lost a lot in this lockdown, and also a lots of people, even teachers, sat at their home. So friends, after 6 months or after few days, all the shops, businesses and other, some about hotels, they have opened, but not the school. So even not opening the school, our governments have started the online course. So we are also providing the online courses absolutely free, not even taking a single rupees, not anywhere else but in the YouTube. So we are providing free access of online classes, not anywhere else in the Zoom or not by paying the fees. We are just providing you the online courses absolutely free in the YouTube. So you just go on the YouTube and click. So we will provide you the only one thing, that is our username, that is Chota Master Rahul. So you just go and search there as a Chota Master Rahul. So you will get our channel and you can see there physics, English and also mathematics, and in between to be motivated. So we will provide you the motivation speeches and also motivation to you, because every student should be motivated so that he can be do more by the zeal. Because of motivation, a student will be encouraged and he will do lots of things in his life. So in between we will provide motivation also. So friends, don't miss this choice, it's just for you. So if you are listening and if you want to listen, it's absolutely for you. So in this lockdown you have lost a lot, but from tomorrow we are providing you free, absolutely free online courses, everything, physics, mathematics, English and motivation. So I think this is very helpful to you in your life, because in this 6 months you didn't catch a single book. So I think this free access is very helpful to every people, every student. So and also my small request to every teachers and lecturers and also students, that is, please, if you know something, please share to other peoples. You know better physics, so start a YouTube channel and provide your experience, provide your knowledge to other peoples, so that they also can learn that your physics, your channel may also build very high. So my small request to you, a lecturer or a teacher or a madam or anyone's, even students, if you have lots of knowledge in a particular subject or particular thing, anything, it may be reading, writing or learning or something else, you just do one thing, just open a YouTube channel and post your videos and share your knowledge to the people who are in need of subject. So some of the students are in need of physics, so if you provide that, so they also can see your videos and they also can learn something from your video. So one small request to all the teachers, lecturers, so do one thing, you just open the YouTube channel and provide something to the students and the society. It's the notice to all the teachers. So we are also doing like this. So we are providing free access of online course of YouTube, physics, mathematics and English, in between motivation. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and like the channel. So we will provide a better courses to you every day. Thank you so much.